Come test drive the 2025 Venue. The Hyundai Venue is extremely practical and provides good cargo capacity for its compact size. Available technology features provide even more reason to give this vehicle a chance. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, wheel locks, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Come see the car for yourself.